individuals lines up. First comes the gorgeous model of DCS. Give it a hand for Miss Shruti Murugan, chest number 1, walking up the ramp. Suresh Kumar, chest number 2, onto the tires. Here we go. Here comes the beautiful, cute angel of DCS. Miss Yasin Zurullah Khan, chest number 3. Here comes the macho man, Mr. Jonathan Stephen, chest number 4. May I have a big round of applause, please? DCS, Miss Nilofer Fatima, chest number 5. Here we go for the charming and dashing young man, Mr. Yelston, chest number 6. jury. So that is the end of the first round, and it was a gorgeous and gracious ramp walk. So now let's see the coupled round. So I request the participants to get ready for the coupled round.
Touch
couple for the night, Miss Khatija and Mr. Dion, test number 7 and
8. Consider you get a time machine. Where would you like to travel and change one thing?
Wow, that's actually a nice question. And it's a late good evening for everyone. This is Shruti. So, my opinion for the question is I would like to go to my father's childhood age where I can be his friend and change his, way of living and everything, so that I'll make him as a freaky father and a cool father, because now he is completely into a casteism and everything. So that's my opinion, and will travel to my father's age. Thank you, thank you.
may I have a big round of applause, please, for Ms. Shruti Murugan. So thank you, Shruti. Next comes Mr. Surat Suresh Kumar for the next question.
Check. Hi. If you become an emperor for this world, what one important change you will bring in?
A very good evening to everyone. The most important thing will be I'll be giving free food for everyone, which is the most important to the world.
Thank you so much, Mr. Suraj. So for the next question, I kindly request Kritika from Ajuba to ask Miss Yasin Zulur Khan for the next question.
Good evening, Yasin. What one thing you will not teach your offspring, which you are following now?
Hi everyone, good evening. Thank you for asking me this question. The what one thing I won't teach is caste interference.
Okay, that's
Thank you.
great.
Thank you so much, Yasin. For the next question, here comes Mr. Jonathan Stephen.
A very good evening to everyone.
Hi, Jonathan.
Hi.
One interesting question, actually. Tell me one living thing that is pure in the world.
Pure
In the world.
in the world, one living thing. Yeah. Yeah. I could say like one living thing and that's pure. As for my judgmental, I could say that's me. I know it's bad, but that's good. That's me.
That is actually an unexpected one. Thank you so much, Jonathan. For the next question comes Miss Nilofer.
Hello everyone. Good evening to you all.
Check. Okay, Nilofer,
Yes.
would you want to know you were going to die and why?
Well, I would not like to know if I'm going to die at a certain time or date, because that would put an end to all the happiness I might get, because the fear of dying is really bad. So I might not like to know that. That would be my answer.
Wow, that was nice. Thank you so much. For the next question comes Mr. Elston.
Mr. Elson, what one thing you would like to know if you get a crystal ball that could tell the truth?
Thanks for the question, Jerry. I just want to know that. I don't have anything to ask the crystal ball, but one thing I want to know is, I just want to ask that, why is this happening? Behind that, there is sexual assault, like child rape, etc., like that, child rape and animals like that. So I want to know what is the truth behind that, so I can change. I can bring a change in that to the future.
Wow, thank you so much, Elston. So Next question comes Miss Khatija Bibi.
Good evening, Khatija.
Good evening.
Yes, I just have an interesting question. Like, what impact do you want to leave to the world?
Thanks for the question. Good evening, all. Actually, the impact I would leave on the world is sorry.
Getting emotional? Cool?
So actually, I'm following now also like kindness. I'll choose actually. So even I'm doing now. So whatever it is, like kindness is the most important thing. So most of the people is not following now because everybody is rude. So most of the people show the face suddenly. Like they will not have kindness. We can't expect to everybody else. Like we can't expect the kindness to everybody else. So I choose kindness. Thank you.
That's the need of the hour. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Khatija. For the last question for the night, may I have Mr. Dayan onto the dais, please?
Hi, dear. Do you think crying is a sign of weakness or strength?
Good evening to all. Okay. The thing is that crying isn't a weakness. It seriously isn't a weakness. Brave warriors do cry. Okay, don't be ashamed to cry. Okay, some people tell like crying is like you're too girl to cry. That's not a girl, it's nothing. You should be brave to cry. That is the main thing. Okay, that is the main shit thing. Okay, so all the brave warriors say, hey! Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you so much, Rian. Okay, so let us see the final result. To announce and give away the Mr. and Mrs. DCS, I request Mr. Das and Mrs. Das to join us onto the stage to give away the awards, please. May I have a big round of applause, please? So yes, get the trophies ready and everything ready. We are going to announce Mr. and Mrs. Das Consultancy. The silence is like something special. Okay, I don't want to raise the hype here, but I want to start with Mr. Das Consultancy Services 2021 ramp walk goes to, with a big round of applause, Mr. Dayan. May I have a big round of applause, please? Mr. Das Consultancy 2021.
போயிடாதீங்க சார்.
So Miss Das Manpower Consultancy 2021 goes to come to the end of this grand event. So I request and I take this moment to thank everyone, each and everyone who has been with us and made this event a successful one. And also, I'm very, very happy to see all of you here. So you have spent a lot of time with us. So thank you so much for that. And once again, I thank all the sound engineers, console, and all the event managers and everyone who have done this very beautifully. So it's me, your Vijay Varsha, signing off from your day. Bye-bye and take care.